Listen, you see all these billboards right here? One day that's gonna be me. One day I'm gonna be on the billboard. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YC10Z, you feel me? Blogger/vlog. I give y'all some of their life and I give y'all some of my life. Make sure y'all tune in. Hit that like button, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't got no intro, but this is the intro, you feel me? The mug out this mug. But we out here though. Told y'all more vlogs coming soon. Make sure y'all tune in. All vlogs coming. I'm dropping. Yeah, I'm dropping like I ain't playing no game. My fault. Oh. Damn, it's snow all over the seat. Huh? You say what? God dang, you driving? Oh man. Nah, I don't know, Dad. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Man. Come on! Mom, what are you doing?
What? I drove like that when I came home. What you mean? I drove like that when I came home.
Yo.
That's why you ain't making no money. See, you supposed to record me in your mouth.
What you think I'm doing right now? What you think I'm doing?
You supposed to make a whole story.
Dang.
You supposed to make a whole thing.
What you think I'm doing right now? Look, what you think I'm doing right now?
They wanted to come to work. Long as that motherfucking MTA, long as that MTA bus running, your job, your motherfucking job expect you to come to work.
Oh no, it's going down in Baltimore. God damn. Listen, you see all these billboards right here? One day that's gonna be me. One day I'm gonna be on the billboard. Y'all know what's going on, man. 10G Baltimore. I'm gonna be on that one, that one, that one, that one. Speaking into existence, you feel me? We out here.
Well, I hope they call. You can't take it upon yourself and say, I was going to go. Still going to do something. That's why I told you, I said, yo, every time you do something, yo, just let them know. That way you can have it in writing. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Instead of, you had that shit in writing. Not really supposed to be talking to Miguel. I'm supposed to be talking to the lady first. I don't want to tell Miguel that she don't be coming. You know what I'm saying? It's like snitching and shit. I know you probably be like, damn, why nigga always call people on number after that? Friends don't be in there.
McDowell. How are you?
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Amazing.
They both are, Marvel films, and people just love this couple. And one thing that we love about them is that they really respect and value their privacy, and that's one thing that's been very important to them. They understand that because of how they move in the world, that not everything is gonna be just for them, but they really try and keep the core of who they are together. They love that couple as much as we want to know every nuance and detail about someone.
I'm about to start dropping on YouTube more, so make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all tune in. That's where I'm gonna be at more often, on the tube. Y'all updated with my daily life. When they hit. Oh, y'all was waiting for an outro? I ain't got no outro.